Welcome guys to the Crochet Bits channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to crochet a square that is similar to the traditional granny square, but it will have some differences. The square is easy and perfect for beginners. You may use as many colors as you want. I'm going to use 3.5 millimeters crochet hook and medium worsted weight yarn, Caron Simply Soft. Start with magic ring and chain 3. Count this chain 3 as 1 double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and now make 3 double crochet into the ring. And the third one. Again, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2 and for the last time 3 double crochet. Pull the tail. Now make chain 2 and join with slip stitch to top of starting chain 3. Now turn this little square counterclockwise this way. Again, counterclockwise, look where is the working yarn, it is in front, and into the first chain 2 space make a slip stitch. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now again chain 5 and 1 single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 5 and 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Chain 5 and 1 single crochet in next chain 2 space. Chain 5, 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Chain 5, 1 single crochet in next chain 2 space. Chain 5, 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space, and chain 5 for the last time, and join into the first chain here with slip stitch. Here is the first chain. Perfect. If you're going to change the color, we will do it right now. If not, you can go on knitting using the same color. So change the color, change the square again to the right side counterclockwise, pull all tails, and make a slip stitch in first chain 5 space. At this point you may cut the orange color, the first color. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, count it as first double crochet and make 2 more double crochet into the same chain 5 space. 1, 2. So in total 3. Now into the next chain 5 space. This is the corner and we will form a new corner. Make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 2 and 3 more double crochet into the same chain 5 space. Now into the next chain 5 space, make 3 double crochet. After that, into the corner we repeat 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And I didn't say that I am using 2 strands here just to obtain the same weight as for the orange color. So just no worries. 3 more double crochet into the same chain 5 space. And into the next chain 5 space, 3 double crochet. Again, next chain 5 space, it is a corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Three double crochet in next chain 5 space. And for the last corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And now join with slip stitch to top of starting chain 3. Turn the square counterclockwise. And now we will work between kinda each cluster between a double crochet. So right away make a slip stitch, then chain 5 and make 1 single crochet into the next chain 2 space, chain 5 again, single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now chain 5 and we will insert the hook in between here in each space, between double crochet here, again chain 5, 1 single crochet between double crochet again, chain 5, and now corner. For the corner we make 1 single crochet, chain 5 and 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space. So we insert the hook twice. Again, chain 5, 1 single crochet in next space here. Then again, chain 5, 1 single crochet here, chain 5, 1 single crochet in next chain 2 space, and so on till the end. Here I am, that's what I have. Make chain 5 and join with slip stitch into the very first chain. Now change the color. Turn the square counterclockwise. Cut the white color. And make a slip stitch into the first chain 5 space. Now chain 3, count this chain 3 as 1 double crochet and make 2 more double crochet into the same chain 5 space. Now into the next chain 5 space, make 3 double crochet. And again, corner, into the corner make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet into the same space. Now 3 double crochet in each chain 5 space. Three double crochet, then in next chain 5 space 3 double crochet, then in next space 3 double crochet, next is a corner, so make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and go on repeating in the same way. 3 double crochet here, 3 double crochet here, 3 double crochet here, into the corners 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and so on till the end. Now join to top of starting chain 3, turn the square counterclockwise and make a slip stitch into the same space here. Now chain 5, 1 single crochet in next space, chain 5, one single crochet in chain 2 space, chain 5, and 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Chain 5, 1 single crochet in next space between double crochet, chain 5, 1 single crochet here, chain 5, 1 single crochet here in between, chain 5, 1 single crochet in next space, chain 5, and now 1 single crochet into the next chain 2 space, chain 5, and 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space. So I hope guys it's clear. In this way you go on repeating chain 5 single crochet, chain 5 single crochet, chain 5 single crochet, then corner. After that again chain 5 single crochet, chain 5 single crochet, corner, chain 5 single crochet, and join to first chain here. Change the color and start again with chain 3 2 double crochet. Go on crocheting until the square reaches desired size. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye.